oluşturuluyor. Dijital teknolojilerin gelişmesiyle bağlantılı olarak sanal ve artırılmış gerçeklik teknolojileri, deneyecek sektörde dahil olmak üzere çeşitli sektörlerde uygulama alanında hızla genişletmekte. Sanal teknolojiler deneycilik operasyonlarında eğitim, navigasyon, bakım ve güvenlik için yenilikçi çözümler sunuyor. Tüm dünyada olduğu gibi ülkemizde de bu alanda çalışmalar artıyor. Örneğin okul sanayi işbirliği çerçevesinde İTÜ MTAL'de yerli ve milli sanal ve artırılmış ürün çalışmaları tartışılıyor, değerlendiriliyor ve üretiliyor. Deneycilikte artırılmış sanal gerçeklik takımının sunusunu ilk olarak izleyeceğiz.
In today's world, many tasks are now being carried out in the virtual world. New roles are being created in virtual environments without the concepts of time and space. In connection with the development of digital technologies, virtual and augmented reality technologies are rapidly expanding their application areas in various sectors. Including the maritime industry, virtual technologies offer innovative solutions for training, navigation, maintenance, and security in maritime operations, just like all around the world. Studies in this field are increasing in our country as well. For example, at İTÜ MTAL, within the framework of school-industry collaboration, discussions, evolutions, and production of domestic and national virtual and augmented products are taking place. Now, our friends also work on this topic. Now, let's watch their work together.
Mikrofon
Hi, today we will talk about mixed reality in maritime. First of all, I want to present my team.
Hello, my name is Okyanus. I'm a maritime student in 9th grade.
Hello, my name is Osman. Hello, my name is Egemen Taş. I'm maritime student.
First of all, I want to present our context. The field of use of augmented virtual reality in maritime. The field of use of augmented virtual reality in maritime. Advantages and disadvantages of augmented virtual reality in maritime.
The field of use of AR in maritime technology has been changing and developing very rapidly in our times. New gadgets and applications such as smartphones, tablets, computers, multidimensional audiovisual devices, etc., have been developed and widely used. These devices have enabled the creation of virtual environments that look like real ones. Thus, augmented reality and virtual reality technology has been developed. And such technology is used in education, medicine, entertainment, food and beverage, marketing, military, architecture, museums, etc. This technology has also found its place in tourism and has affected the maritime field as well. When did AR enter the maritime industry?
When did AR enter the maritime industry? The virtual reality and augmented reality markets have grown exponentially over the past decade, and future growth expectations are also high. Both AR and VR are projected to turn into a 95 billion market by 2025, Mark Paulus, Lauren and Lumina 2019. Although the high demand for such technologies stems mainly from the creative industries, it has also gained popularity in other business sectors, including engineering, education and training, medicine, logistics, transportation, and others.
Advantage of it offers detailed information to the individual about the physical environment in real life, real world through various technologies such as phones, tablets, virtual glasses. It adds dynamism and realistic to field applications and objects. In the commercial sector, it allows individuals to try out objects in the same environment. Disadvantage: the lack of sufficient hardware specification for the device used for AR applications may lead to some limitations. Elements such as memory, graphics power, processor capability, internet availability should be adequate on the device. It should not be forgotten that AR applications are affected by environmental conditions. Factors such as light and noise in the environment can negatively affect AR applications.
Dünyada teknoloji hızla gelişmekte. Bundan 70 yıl önce ortaya çıkan yapay zeka kavramı gerçek anlamda hayatımızda son 15 yıldır yer alıyor. Fakat son günlerde bu konuda o kadar hızlı bir ilerleme kaydedildi ki yapay zekanın her alanda kullanılmaya başladığını görmekteyiz. Öyle ki insanların artık birçok alanda yeni şeyler öğrenmesine gerek kalmadan yapay zeka ile ortaya bir ürün çıkarabilecek duruma gelmiş haldeyiz. Bizler de bu gelişmeyi yakından takip etmeye çalışıyoruz. Çağın getirdiği becerileri erkenden yakalamak ve bunları kendi sistemlerimize entegre etmek, takım bilinci oluşturarak birlikte hareket etmeyi öğrenmek, bizleri deneyim açısından mesleki anlamda hızla öne taşıyacağına inanıyoruz. Bilişim mahalli takımdan arkadaşlarımızı bizi yapay zeka konusuyla yaptıkları çalışmaları sergilemek için kürsüye davet ediyorum.
Technology is rapidly advancing in the world, and the concept of artificial intelligence, which was introduced 7 years ago, has truly been a part of our lives for the past 15 years. However, in recent days, progress in this field has been so rapid that we see artificial intelligence being used in every area. In fact, we have reached a point where with artificial intelligence, we can create a product without the need for people to learn new things in many areas. We are also trying to closely follow these developments. We believe that catching the skills brought by the age early and integrated them into our own systems, learning to act together by creating a team spirit will rapidly advance us in the professional field in terms of experience. We invite our friends from the information IT teams to the stage to showcase their work on the topic of artificial intelligence.
Good morning, everyone. Greetings to dear professors, academicians, students, businessmen, and dear teachers. Today, our AI team will take you on a journey, exciting journey, learning fascinating facts about artificial intelligence and machine learning. We hope our presentation sparks your curiosity and highlights the immense potential of AI technologies that are already transforming our daily lives. But first, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Kerem Ali, a 9th grade IT student, leader of AI team.
My name is Zeynep Kuzu. I'm in 9th grade.
My name is Ömer. I am student of preparatory. And I'm Haminesh, and I'm learning and I'm studying in preparatory.
Over the few next minutes, we will take you on a journey fundamentals of AI, discuss of our studies and projects, the projects and the insightful facts about AI, just the future goals, current news, what we do, and the Turkish AI about. First, to begin, we must define what is AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to computer programs or machines that are programmed to think or learn from the data.
While AI may sound futuristic, it's already deeply integrated into our daily lives. Voice assistants like Alexa and Siri, recommendation systems on social media and streaming platforms, spam filters, and even ride-sharing app optimizations. All this rely on AI technologies working behind the scenes. These technologies make our lives easier and more efficient, and daily tasks more efficient. AI will become even more prevalent, impacting everything from home devices to healthcare and transportation.
But first, we need to understand the relationship between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. As you can see, AI is the whole of the systems that computers learning. This can be logics, if conditions, or etc. Machine learning is based on developing algorithms, statistical modeling to learn from the data and improve the performance on a specific task over the time without being predictably programmed. We don't program directly, but we program the machine learning algorithm, and the algorithm learns from the data. And deep learning. Deep learning is something like inspired by biological neural networks in our brain, the networks that receives inputs, processes computational things, and produces outputs like our neurons. But these artificial neurons called perceptrons, artificial neural networks. And I need to talk about machine learning types. There are basically three main machine learning types. Supervised learning for leveled data like regression and classification. We give data with its level, just like I am human. And with unsupervised learning, we just give the data without labels, just for example, all students, animals or something, and we want to computer to classify, cluster these data different from each other. These can be clustering or anomaly detection, just the anomaly detection. And we have reinforcement learning. We just make an environment to AI, and AI will learn from the environment with a reward signal system. Just we give the reward signal, and the AI learns. For example, learning to walk, or just learning to swim, or something like as human beings do. And machine learning applications. As I said before, there are 5 machine learning applications, recommendation systems. We use in our projects, we use recommendation system, classification, regression, clustering, animal detections. Recommendation system is something like getting the all data similarity behaviors in students, humans, and give users the items that are relevant to them. Classification is something I just said to you before. With labeled data, we just give your name and label to just classify your, and regression is just predicting numerical values. Clustering is something like without unlabeled data, we just cluster that, and element detection is something like finding the unusual data. And neural networks. As I said you before, in deep learning, there are neural networks called perceptrons. Perceptrons is something like we have biological neurons. In computer science theorem, perceptron is called neuron. The neurons receives inputs, processes some computational tasks, and produces outputs. So, who are we? We are AI team. As an AI team, we just founded like 3 years ago, and we just wanted to extend our team members, new members, because more students, meaning more brains, meaning more projects, meaning more power. And there's a condition, as you can see, if AI is somewhere, AI team is there. This is the basic condition of AI teams principles. As you can see the truth table, you know.
AI has many different areas using. In computer vision, AI helps the system that see and understand the visual world, which is really important for self-driving cars or facial recognition. In autonomous systems, they use AI for making their own tests and making decisions without needing any people to control them. And in natural learning language processing, they use AI for learn and use human language for making chatbots and virtual assistants.
So, there is a sensible fact about our principle, our things, our thoughts. Just we are not the users part, as our principal professor Torres says. We will be developers, because future is here. Not using the pre-built systems, just drag and drop mouse events. We need to just have a terminal and keyboard and a brain also. If we have a brain, even we don't have these computers, we can develop algorithms, develop statistical models, and then that's where the whole Earth dealing the best things is there, not there. Okay. And this is the concepts. We don't use the pre-built systems, just the pre-libraries, built libraries. We want to learn the math behind the programming. Importance of programming solving. As I participate all international competitions and national competitions also, we need to learn the development of algorithms, learning deeper the basics. Future is here. As I just heard some professors, he says that we don't have the software coders that can write programming language, the basics. And my aim is that till graduation, we will publish a programming language, just from developing this from scratch. This is a very big project and very need to have knowledge, but we will do it as I get the team members. We are starting in this summer. So what we are doing?
Studies and work. We start our journey with AI began in the prep class, and where we learned the fundamentals of Python programming. In 9th grade, we delved into data science, conveying data progressing, analysis, statistic calculations, and data visualization.
In 10th grade, we dive in deep in machine learning algorithms, artificial intelligence, the basics of machine learning. Just, for example, writing the machine learning algorithms from scratch, KNN algorithm, the other algorithms, linear regression, multiple regressions, or just some other things. You can just pass.
Sorry, Kerem, let's be faster, please.
Yeah. Very slowly.
Here we have birthday paradox. And this one is AI is trying to predict that what we draw on the bigger predictor.
And this project is predicting some of the customers. This is the linear regression of the we did this project.
We have many projects, like mini projects, to involve our knowledge to practice. Just we do very mini projects.
This one is pixel similarity, and this one is combination and permutation.
We can just pass these.
Yes. Okay.
Pass. Yeah. Pass. Pass. Pass. We have mega projects that we need to work more on these projects. Now we just have 9 projects, as I told you. Project is something like project sharing platform where users can share their projects, find collaborators. Submarine, we have unmanned underwater vehicle system that we get the mini computer recently. Nasrettin Hoca Academy is something like learning by teaching project. Co-work is some unmanned aerial vehicles. Robotaxi is another project that we passed in Technofest. Smart ticketing system, we just built it for Erasmus projects. And there's a Technofest report analyzer. We just attend all Technofest competitions, but we need to get the data, the scores or something like the results that we will get. We just predict with our AI model. And there's a competition in customer satisfaction analysis, and there's a TAAA volunteering that I just get the volunteering. TAAA is something funded with Technofest. I just be a volunteer there. In I think 3 weeks ago, I get accepted there, and I am a developer in TAAA, Turkey's large language model. These are the screenshots or just projects of our projects. We can classify with YOLO algorithms. We can just pass these. The data analysis that we get from the Twitter now is known as X. These are the data analysis parts. And we even start the quantum computing, learning quantum computing with IBM's Qiskit library. That quantum computing is a very complex tool that I say that I even don't understand that. But this is the case. We don't understand that. And Turkey, as I said you before, we are in the TAAA model. We are developing, we are contributing the model that we have as a Turkey's large language model. And future goals. In 1 year, we will have 15 more projects in İTÜ MTAL, 10 more projects in Technofest, and 5 international projects and competitions, and about more than 50 mini projects that all students can do. And success rate, I want to get the success rate about that 66.6 accuracy. This is big accuracy, I think, successful accuracy. Because when we start projects, we maybe fail in projects. This happens more commonly, but we will have this rate. Okay. Our resources that we use in our presentation. And thanks for listening. If you have any questions, we are happy to answer these questions. Okay.
Thanks for listening again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Üç d tasarımlar, yani 3 boyutlu tasarımlar, hazırda olan bir ürünü veya ihtiyacın sorununu çözmeye odaklı bir teknik olmasının yanı sıra aynı zamanda sıfırdan üretme anlamına da gelmektedir. 3D tasarımın önemi burada da karşılığı çıkmaktadır. Bizim arkadaşlarımızın en çok sevdiği ve kullandığı alanlardan biri olarak da ön plana çıkmaktadır. Şimdi elektrik elektronik ahilik takımlarından 3D tasarım sunumunu izleyeceğiz.
3D designs, which are focused on solving the problem of an existing product or need, are a technique that also implies creating from scratch. The importance of 3D design comes into play here as well. It stands out as one of the favorite and most used areas by our fans. Now we will watch a 3D design presentation from electrical and electronics items.
So, good morning, everyone. First of all, I'm thankful to everyone here for giving your precious times for us here. My name is Mustafa Denizhan Toprak.
And I'm Kanalı Geliktaş.
Today, we are going to present to you our 3D designing team and what we did in this 1 year of time. So, these are our contents in our presentation. These are the things we're going to present to you here. So, sectors of 3D designing. First of all, you can use 3D designing to nearly most of the entertainment sectors, architectures, and product design, manufacturing, medical, healthcare, education. So, as you can see, you can use 3D designing effectively in so many things, and it also makes it easier to for example, think about it. You're a car designer that's trying to make a new car, and you need some designs for you can use so many applications for that, but we mostly prefer SolidWorks in our grade. So importance of 3D design. Back in the first of all, 3D modeling speeds up the process of product design and development. Back in the day, product design development was a process that takes a lot of time. So first of all, you need to make your first product, and after that, for every little mistake you make, you needed to make new prototype for each minor mistake. You need to order new prototype for each minor mistake, and you need to wait for this prototype to arrive. And this process was in a cycle of time until the project is on its perfect state. So basically, when 3D design and CGI come to our lives, this process it took pretty important role in this state. So basically, for example, when you have 3 months for a project and when you use 3D design, you can take a lot of time and just make one perfect thing and one design thing. Second, 3D modeling fixes errors before final product design. Basically, another notable advantage of 3D modeling is that it allows manufacturers to pinpoint any errors in the design ahead of time with no need for prototyping, so you gain a lot of time for it. 3D modeling simplifies product prototyping and testing. So prototyping and testing are 2 of the most critical stages of the development process, and using 3D models for this specific stage can significantly cut time and cost. 3D modeling allows exact measurements. So in a 3D model, you can see the specific dimensions of an item together with all its features. This helps your potential customers and your team members to inspect the product and incorporate any adjustments if and when it's needed. 3D modeling provides unrivaled accuracy and detail. Basically, 3D modeling allows teams to generate all imaginable shapes while maintaining production capabilities, which helps visions quickly come together. 3D modeling supports better product development. Probably the most apparent reason why 3D modeling should be part of the design is whether you work in construction, manufacturing, or other industries, 3D modeling provides better perspectives when creating a new product.
So you have plenty of 3D designing softwares that you can use. We listed 6 of them in this slide that you can see. Those are some of the main CAD softwares that you know, or maybe you don't know. To introduce them, we have Autodesk Maya and the well-known Blender. Those CAD softwares are used for animations and character designing purposes. You have SketchUp that's used for indoor and outdoor building designs. and the AutoCAD, CMS NX, and SolidWorks that used for heavy machinery and regular machinery parts development. So, we choose to use SolidWorks as our main CAD software. But why did we choose it? Because SolidWorks has a huge community that helps the new users to develop themselves, and it has their 3D experience website that you can ask the elders or the more professionals that can help you. And the SolidWorks is used by millions of CAD users, especially engineers. So, what did SolidWorks provided us? That you can see it's a little bit small, but it has a simple but sophisticated interface that you can use. You can see all the requirements that you can provide yourself and use in a one screen. Second of all, it has so many libraries that can use. You don't even have to design the thing. For example, bolt that which can use. You can find it in a file that you can use in your design. It has automation and design reuse to speed up the process. It has some AI techniques that in SolidWorks. For example, there's so many holes that will put in the design. The AI helps you to fill all the holes that you will use in a complete way. And it has part assemblies that are very easy to use. You have all the mates and all the possible features that you can use in an assembly that you will use in a real life development. It can help 2D designing as well. You can see that there's a 2D design that has all the dimensions that you can use, and there's rendering tools in SolidWorks too. So, as the main purpose of the Arabic class in our school, we used Nasrettin Hoca Academy as a learning tool and a teaching tool. We opened the class for SolidWorks, and in our school, all the members and many of the users included and participated in that class. So what we did in this IL class in our projects, we have turbocharger fan, as you can see, a jet diffuser that you can use in a jet engine. There's a turbofan fan, a real covering, and 1:1 scale of an headphone. We have a knife too, if you're interested. And our main project, we did a 5-cylinder radial engine for a real plane. Those parts are all dimensioned in correct way, and it works quite sufficiently and effectively. Thank you for watching. Kıymetli konuklarımız, sempozyumumuza 40 dakikalık bir ara vereceğiz. Saat 12'de tekrar sunumlarımız devam edecek. Teşekkür ederiz.
In English? No, in English?
It's
a break time? It's a break time?
No, it's not break time. You need to have a kind of break, and we will soon. So, thank you for your attention and thanks for watching.
Hocam arkaya video mu açılacak? Boş mu?
Yok ya, gidelim.
Sadece ekran görüntüsü var ya. Geri takılan şey o.
Thank you.
Bunlar hazır.